Hey guys, it's me Brandon here, back with a brand new video. We're gonna be making Aglio, which is pasta from the land of Italics. We got red pepper, lemon, parsley, garlic, and extra virgin olive oil.
I like that.
Okay, so first up, what you want to do is you want to take your knife and you're gonna smash the garlic, just so that you can peel them more easier. In fact, that's the only way you can peel them. But too bad they're a bitch to peel, so we're gonna put these in a bin. Just toss them in there, and you're just gonna want to give these a good shake, like shake the hell out of them. And then we're gonna once you do that, they're gonna be real much easier to peel. But they're not, because it's fake. Everyone who told you that is a liar. Anyways, we're just gonna peel those magically. Take our parsley, we're gonna just chop it real fine. You just only need the parsley leaf head. Just chop. Yep, there you go. Next, we're gonna chop up our garlic into just like shingles, basically. It's just thin, long garlic pieces. Or you can just mince them if you're like that. We're gonna get our olive oil. You're gonna put it on the pan. Put your garlic in on a cold heat. You don't want it preheating. Get your pasta ready too, by the way. Have your friend infuse some Chaos Emerald flavor.
Philip just whipped his dick out in front of your girlfriend.
Take our red pepper flakes now. We're gonna shake them directly into the pan. This will just add a little heat to our pasta.
Oh, spare child.
Save some pasta water and just put that in. Pasta water has the starch, so this will help thicken the olive oil sauce. We're gonna back away from the microphone here, so just so then we can put in our parsley. We're gonna stir that in. If you like Philip, who doesn't like parsley, too bad. This is a mandatory ingredient. Next, we're gonna just squeeze some lemon juice in there, just with a little zest, some salt, just to finish it, and as well as some pepper. And then we're gonna start plating it. I'm using a tuning fork because that's the only thing that should be used for pasta. And if you're not good at cooking like me, just go ahead and add a parsley leaf just for garnish.